Hi guys, I'm going now to use Creo to model some of the parts, and today on our first video I'm going to model this part. As you can see, we have this is the profile from the top view. From the side view, this is what we have from the side view. This is the isometric. Therefore, we're going to start by the base here, then model the side view. Let's start by the top view. I need 46. Yeah, let's start by the top view. You open Creo Parametric. Then on the top plane, you want to start a sketch on top plane here. You see this first icon. You can select top, this icon here, or this icon to go to top. Then you can view. This icon means view, sketch view to be the normal to you. Then I need circle like that. I want to get a center and point because we need this circle, this and this. Therefore, like that. Oops, let me first for undo. Once you draw the circle, until you can see now you have this equal sign. You can see the equal sign there. It means these two circles are equal. Same case applies. Yeah. Then dimension, you can press D to dimension. This one is 46. This is 46. Let's put it here. 46. This one is 64. 64. Yeah, the 64. Next is we need now this circle of radius 18. Therefore, again a circle here like that. Press D. But you can see this using a diameter. I want this one to be, before you can first of all escape from dimension. Select this dimension here and change to radius to be 18. Okay, then draw a circle on this point until you see equal sign, again equal sign. Next is we need to create these lines here. These are tangent lines. Therefore, you go to the line, tangent line here, from this here to this, from this one here to this, from this point to this. Those are the tangent lines. Then we need to trim inside here, delete segment, this, delete unnecessary sections like that. Yeah, done. Oops, sorry for that. Yeah, you can see now the bottom one is done, and we need to extrude by 12. Therefore, you say okay, then extrude it by, if you rotate here, you can see by 12 mm. You can use here to insert dimension. Remember, it's a solid, or you can use this one here, 15. You can pull this for direction here. You can change direction here or here. Then if you select this yellow dot, you can pull like that. But now I need 12. Okay. Next is this view. As you can see, this edge here is almost touching this edge. It is touching, you can see from here. Then we have an offset of 11. We are going to use a plane offset of 11. Therefore, you select the plane on before plane. Then let's see which is which. Front. Then select plane. I want to use front as my reference. it is an offset of 12 here, 11 mm, like that. Therefore, if I go front view, can go to front here. I want to use wireframe because I want to see these lines. I want to sketch onto this plane, and I want these lines to be visible to me. I can now use reference. I want to use this line, yeah, basically, yeah, and this line also cross. Now we have these are my references. I'm going to start by this circle 14 and 16. Therefore, make a circle here. Let me see which line. 14 by 16 and 25. Okay, just here, another one here. Therefore, we press D. This one here, first for press escape. This to be a radius value of 14, while the other one to be 16. This one to be 16. Then we need 28. I need that dimension from this point to this point here to be 28. 25 from, let me see, first of all let me go back to the shaded. Okay, I want this line here and this edge. Okay, because this one is the center one. Therefore, let me go back to the wireframe. Basically, I'm using center as 25 here. Therefore, from this line here, therefore from this point to this point, dimension to be 25. Then I need a line that comes go to this edge here. You can rotate to be sure, yeah, it's this edge. Yeah, therefore a line, take a line from this point to this here. Then this line must be tangent, these two must be tangent. Then another line at this point here, that is vertical, like that. Basically, I need a line from this point here going up. Lastly, a line from this point to this point to fully define your profile. Then I need to delete this inner segment like that. Then I need now to, you can see this one is 12 and 12. Yeah, therefore I need now to extrude this by 12. Therefore I want to go back to the shading with edges and extrude this sketch by 12. Therefore oops, sorry for that, the sketch here extruded by 12. I think something is wrong with our sketch. Let's go back to the sketch, edit. You can press N to view normal. Something is wrong here. Yeah, here you have a segment there. Yeah, let's now extrude our sketch by 12. I want to use by 12. Okay, you can see now we have one side, we have this side. For us to get this side, we just mirror this one here using the front. Therefore, right click here, you select mirror. For the reference, I'm going to use front, just that. Yeah, and you can click here one here to go to default orientation. Yeah, that's how you model this part. Thank you. Let's meet in our next video as you model more parts in Creo.